this little area right here. Probably the most used space in our home, and it was starting to show. Today I'm refreshing our mudroom, just cleaning it, switching up a few items, switching items around, and bringing it back to that calm, put together feeling. Nothing new, just using what I already have and making the space work better for us again. This space gets used every single day, so it doesn't take much for it to start feeling a little off. I always like to start by clearing everything out and resetting it. It just helps me see the space clearly again, which doesn't happen often. This is one of those areas that has to actually work, not just look good. Shoes, bags, everyday items, things to return, sanitizers, everything gets thrown in this area. I got these boxes in Hobby Lobby a few months ago. I was actually using them as my toddler's toy box until we upgraded her space. So now I am reusing them. I'm not doing anything complicated here, just adding a few pieces back that makes the place feel calm and intentional. I like keeping this place simple but still warm so it doesn't feel like just a drop zone. And I hope that makes sense. I always try to balance function and styling. If it doesn't make sense for everyday life, it won't stay this way. Less but better, that's usually what works here. I naturally lean toward warm neutrals as usual. It just makes everything feel softer and more put together without trying too hard. I had black in this area and I just wanted to soften it up a little more. This is exactly how I like the space to feel: clean, simple, and easy to maintain. Nothing overdone, just reset and ready for everyday life again. I wanted to quickly show you all some new find that I got. So I went to Walmart today and I got a new lampshade for this lamp. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. It is coming off a little bit too short and it's making the lamp appear smaller than what I need it to do. So I am contemplating if I am going to keep this lamp shade. My daughter is home and I wanted to show you all what I mean when I say the space has to be functional. So she's home, she's putting her backpack up, and this is how the space is looking on an everyday basis. This makes sense. Like, it has to be functional. So this is why I do not put a lot of stuff in this area. I remember once I decorated this area and I had some pillows there and it just did not make sense for the long haul. And I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna clean it up. I do have a little basket there that's just using as or catch all, probably for mails, for Lysol, or whatever the case is. And then I am using this basket to place Teniel's work in. Now, when she gets home from school, she comes home with at least 2 or more papers, and it gets cluttered fast. So I had to find an area where I can just throw them, and then we put them in the decor room in a bin for herself. So that's the idea that I came up with, and I think it will work perfect. And this will show her how to be more responsible. She can clean her backpack, remove her paperwork, and put it where it should go. I've had this basket for a few years now. It was from Michael's. Hey friends, so I hope you enjoyed my little mudroom refresh. That area is used every day. It always gets messy. It will stay tidy for a minute, but that area, we use it every single day. That's where we enter, we exit. So it's like so much activity is happening there. So I like to refresh the space. My ideal mudroom refresh would be to paint it, but my husband said he wanted to do some work there first. So I'm like, okay, you know what, let me just refresh it, clean it down, wipe it down so it's smelling fresh, and make it functional. So I went to Walmart today and I did quite a little bit of shopping. As y'all can see, I got this shade, but I don't like it. It doesn't fit the lamp, and I must say the lamp is very tall. So if you have a lamp in your home and you need to upgrade it, you want to, give it a looking new vibe, then you can go grab a shade. But this shade was just not for me. It is, let me see if the dimensions are on it. It's 10-inch diameter, 4-inch diameter at the bottom, and 11-inch in height. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna need like a 16-inch in height or something like that effect, because the lamp is very tall and I just did not like how that looked, and I'm very disappointed. But I did put back the other shade on it because I prefer it with the other one. So until I can find one that works, I'll keep on buying to see what works. And I'm also looking for something that is probably not too white, probably more of a oatmeal beigeish color. Let's see, I'm thinking of trying at homes. If you bought off-brand lampshades and you know where I can go cop one, let me know as well. I also got some collapsible bins in Walmart as well. Now I love using these. They just elevate the space, and when I found these ones, I was like, I gotta have these, but I don't think I need them again. So they are actually bins, but the front part has that natural wooden vibe. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm like, you know what, this is actually a vibe. So it's one of these collapsible bins that have the inside just like the one that I used in my mudroom earlier. This one is smaller. I think this one is a 10 by 10 by 10. So yeah, with diameter and height 10.5. So this is it. So if you have any of the mainstays cube things in your home and you want to upgrade, you can get these ones. It has like a panel on the front that gives that wooden vibe, and I just love how expensive this look. And this was only $4.95 or 98. I'm gonna go ahead and tag this for y'all. So I picked up 3 of these, but I think I'm gonna return them because I don't think I really need them. I bought them to use in the mud room, and then I realized I had those bins which are bigger, not realizing that the cubicle in my mudroom is actually large. So this, I had these in it, not this design, but I had some in it. It was pretty small. I mean, it was okay, but now that I have bigger bins, I'm like, you know what, why not use the bigger bins? So I don't think I'll be keeping these. But if you need collapsible bins, Walmart has some. They even have some with like the boucle front. They have some with like a white wooden vibe going on, so grab these. So as I said, I got 3 of them. So I'll definitely be returning these. I'm literally thinking where I could use them in the house, but we're not keeping anything that we're not using immediately because we don't want to be a hoarder. So I'll definitely be returning these. I also did a ton of Easter shopping. I'm whispering because I don't want the girls to hear. I'll be making some Easter baskets for them. So tune into my vlog channel if you haven't already. That's where I'll be posting this. It's gonna be so cute. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video, but I just wanted to hop on here, do my little reset and catch up with you all, show you all the new things that I've got. I am not pleased with my lampshade, so I'm just gonna leave it for now until I'm not gonna just go out just to buy a lampshade. And yeah, so I do have some returns to do at Walmart, so I'll be going back to Walmart, and if I get anything else, I'll definitely show you all. Please go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel. It is tiahnamrose vlogs. That's where I post every Sunday. You get to see the behind the scenes of my family and I. It's a very nice channel, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. That's all, folks. I'll see you all in the next video, and I hope you guys have already started decorating for spring. It is the pollen season here in Georgia. It is terrible, so we are just here trying to survive, child, trying to survive. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.